How to add hyperlinks in Adobe InDesign. Hello friends, welcome to Jawad Sumro Productions. If you are new to Adobe InDesign and if you don't know how to add hyperlinks in Adobe InDesign, then this is the right tutorial for you. I made this interactive PDF file using Adobe InDesign. Basically, when I click on this link, it takes me to the URL of the website. When I click over here, it jumps right into the local file in my computer. When I click over here, it takes me to the email destination. When I click here, it jumps right into that part of the page. When I click here, it takes me to the hyperlink tags in the glossary. Let's learn how to do it. I am using this green technology science book for this tutorial. This is my cover page. This is the chapter 1 that contains the image. We have headers, footers, page numbers, and the body text. Then table of contents. At the end, we have references and glossary. The reason I am showing you all of them is because I want to show you how to hyperlink them. Let's first hyperlink this image. Right-click on this image, then choose Hyperlink, and then New Hyperlink. From this new hyperlink window, you can link this image to anything. It can be URL, file, email, page, text anchor, and share destination. Let me tell you that I downloaded this image from unsplash.com. Let me copy the URL of this image from Unsplash. Then I am going to paste the link on this URL input. Click OK. Now right-click on this image, go to Hyperlink, then choose Go to Destination. See, InDesign redirected you to the registered URL. Now, in this next page, I have added these tags to hyperlink them. Look at this first sentence. The data of this document was imported from this Microsoft Word file, Green Technology. Select this text, Green Technology. Go to Hyperlink, choose New Hyperlink. From this list, choose File. So, my Microsoft Word file lies over here. I am copying this folder address from here. Then I am pasting this address in the destination. Click OK. Now, right-click on this text, go to Hyperlink, then choose Go to Destination. See, InDesign redirected you to the registered local address. Notice that this word has changed its style. If you don't like this style, you can simply edit this character style. Go to Window, Styles, and then Character Styles. Shortcut key is Shift F11. From this character style panel, I am going to edit this hyperlink character style. Let's go to Basic Character Formats. Let's give it Letter Font Family and Bold Italic Style. From Characters Color, I am choosing this green color. The color code is Cyan 70, Magenta 0, Yellow 100, and Black 0. Click OK. See, now this hyperlink text looks so awesome. Now, I had written contact and email next to my name. I want to hyperlink the email so that when someone clicks on it, email address will be automatically added to the composed email. Let's do this. Select this word, right-click on it, hyperlink, then choose New Hyperlink. From this list, choose Email. Click OK. Now, right-click on this text, go to Hyperlink, then choose Go to Destination. See, InDesign redirected you to the registered email address. Now, for this next line, I am going to highlight this chapter 1. Then, I am going to hyperlink it the same way. But this time, I will choose page from this list. Since my chapter lies on page 1, I will select this page number 1. Click OK. Now, right-click on this text, go to Hyperlink, then choose Go to Destination. See, InDesign redirected you to the chapter 1 of this document. Now, let's go to the glossary. I want to hyperlink these words so that readers can easily jump to the meanings of those words present in the chapters. Let's hyperlink facing pages. Select these words, go to Hyperlinks panel, click on the top right corner of this panel that looks like hamburger. Choose New Hyperlink Destination. From the link, you have the opportunity to link this text to URL, pages, and text anchor. Let's select text anchor. Click OK. Let's do the same for margins. Let's do the same for kernings. And also for the gap tool. Now, go back to chapters. You can see this text on your screen. If you don't know the meaning of X, then click here. So, I will link each of these click here to the respective text anchors. Let's hyperlink it the same way. Now, from text anchor, you can select any of these text anchors that I hyperlinked earlier. Let's select facing pages for this text. See, the click here text is now hyperlinked. Then, do the same for margins, kerning, and gap tool. Now, let's hyperlink this last text with shared destination. You see, this option is a mix of every hyperlink destination. You can link these tags to pages, text anchors, files, URLs, and so on. That's how easy it is. I hope you found this tutorial helpful enough to understand how to add hyperlinks in Adobe InDesign. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at javasumro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Javasumro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Javasumro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.